Ave Maria is a greeting which means Hail Mary. When the angel Gabriel came to Mary to ask her to be the mother of God, the angel said these words, Hail, full of grace. He recognized that God's grace was in her. So when we say the words Ave Maria to someone, it's recognizing God's grace within them. Would you like to learn the Ave Maria clap? You would? Great! It goes like this. Clap 3 times, stomp 3 times, and say Ave Maria.
Are you doing the Ave Maria clap? Can I join you?
Sure. Let's start. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ave Maria!
Because it's the month of May and this week's LIHMpost is about Mama Mary, we'd like to sing you a song called Ave Maria.
Okay, everyone getting really close. Say Mary on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Mary! Images and pictures of Our Lady are a constant reminder that she is always with us, leading us to her Son Jesus. Hello and welcome to our newest game show, Limit to Win It! I'm your host, Sister Cherubim, and I'm your co-host, Sister Mary Joy. Here's how the game works. In every round, contestants will be given a question or clue pertaining to an object, mystery, or sacramental of the Christian faith. Once contestants know the answer, they will have to press the buzzer as fast as they can before anyone else does. But there's a catch. Contestants will be blindfolded. And this buzzard will not be in one place, but will be constantly moved by a stick pushed by Mother Mary Rose. Today's topic is Mariology.
Mariology is the theological study of the person of Mary in the life of Christ and her role in the economy of salvation.
Let's play! In the year 1251, this holy object was given by Our Lady to a Carmelite, St. Simon Stock, on July 16.
Sister Adrian, what is your answer?
Scapular.
The scapular, that is correct.
In this next round, I will read a verse from the Bible which describes a mystery of the Rosary. Contestants will have to name that mystery. Now a great sign appeared in heaven, a woman robed with the sun, standing on the moon, and on her head a crown of 12 stars. From the book of Revelation.
Go.
The coronation of Our Lady, the fifth
type?
glorious mystery.
Yes, that is correct.
In those days, a decree went out from Caesar Augustus that the whole world should be enrolled. This was the first enrollment when Quirinius was the governor of Syria. In the Gospel of Luke.
Sister Adrian.
The third joyful mystery, the birth of Jesus.
That is correct.
I wonder if there's something beautiful that we can offer to Mama Mary. Let's ask Sister Therese.
For this activity, you're going to need a bowl of water, tape, green pipe cleaners, scissors, red food coloring, and coffee filters. The first thing you're going to do is put the food coloring in the water. Just use a few drops. Now you're going to dip the coffee filter into the dyed water. Then set it aside to dry. This is what it's going to look like when it's finished drying. Now I'm going to take 2 of them and fold them in half. And in half again, and one more time. Now I'm going to cut the middle, open it up, and then cut one of the sides open. It should look like this. Next, I'm going to take my pipe cleaner and start wrapping the coffee filter around it. Now I'm going to take my second one and continue wrapping. Now that I'm done wrapping, I'm going to secure the coffee filter to the pipe cleaner with a piece of tape. Now I'm just folding back the edges to make it look more like a rose. And this is what it should look like when we're finished. Now I'll offer it to the Blessed Mother.
Hi, Sister Mary Joy.
Today on Faith Delights, we're going to make a very special dessert in honor of the Blessed Mother. They're called apple roses. But these apple roses, did you know you can use them for Mother's Day, for your grandmother, or any special loved one that you'd like to share something very special. It's a little bit complicated, but with an adult present, it's going to be lots of fun and very delicious. To make these apple roses, you're going to need 2 fresh red apples, such as Red Delicious, or these are called Macintosh apples. 1 cup of melted butter. This is probably 2 cups of cold water in a bowl. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. 1 cup of cinnamon and sugar mixture, which I'm going to show you later. A package of any of your favorite pastry dough. Non-stick spray for your pan. Big cutting board to roll out my dough. This special too, this is a pizza cutter, which I'm going to show you later. And a sharp knife that make sure an adult uses. And along with my muffin tin and a strainer. So I'm going to show you in just a minute how we're going to make these special apple roses. So what we need is our bowl of cold water, 2 cups of cold water, and our 2 tablespoons of lemon. And we're going to pour that into the bowl and let this get ready and set. Now we're going to take our apple and we're going to slice it. I'm going to show you how to do that. We're going to get a knife and we're going to cut the apple in half. Now, I need to core the apple. I'm taking away the seed and the inside middle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a spoon and I'm going to scoop out the inside. After that, I'm going to cut the edges. After you've taken out the middle, I'm going to show you how to slice the apple. So you're going to turn the apple upside down, just like that, and you're going to make 1 slice, which you're going to remove and save that to eat and munch on. Then you're going to make paper-thin slices. So the slices are very thin and very fine, that looks like a little rainbow. So I'm going to finish cutting my 2 apples. After that, you're going to place your apples in your mixture. And the whole point of this is so that the apples don't brown too much. Microwave this for 3 minutes. I'll be right back. Now I'm going to prepare my pastry dough. What I have is defrosted phyllo dough, Phyllo, and this is very thin dough that you need to layer with lots of butter. So I have my melted butter and I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to apply it all over the pastry dough. Just like you're painting. And you're going to do this 5 times until you get 5 layers of pastry dough. Lay it flat. So I'm going to do this 5 times. 3rd layer. So now we have our last layer. This is our 5th layer. Going over the top. And we're going to coat this last layer with 1 more round of melted butter. This is the fun part. Okay, now that I have everything laid out, I'm going to get the pizza cutter and we're going to divide this into 2-inch strips. So I'm just going to approximately divide this in 2-inch. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure 2 inches and I'm going to cut a straight line. Just like that. 3 strips. What you're going to do is you're going to separate them. I'm going to just separate them so they're easy. Now, I'm going to get my apples and I'm going to get ready to place my apples on here. So I took the apples out of the microwave. It was hot. I let it cool. After I let it cool, I strained it in a strainer. I have now apples that are soft and easy to work with and they're paper thin. So what you're going to do with the apple, you're going to apply it to the top of your pastry dough. And you're going to overlap the apple. So as you can see, I have a layer of apples right on the top of my layer of pastry dough. And I'm going to take that mixture of cinnamon and sugar. It was 1 cup of sugar and 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. I'm going to sprinkle this in the middle. So it's going to taste like an apple pie. Now, to make our flowers, we're going to fold half of the dough over the apples, and then I'm going to take the bottom edge and I'm going to just slowly roll this and we're going to see a flower being created.
If the apples come out, just push them back in. And look how beautiful. I have my beautiful apple rose ready to put in a muffin tin.
So I finished rolling up all my apples, just like that. And I have my oven preheated for 375 degrees. I'm going to pop these in for 40 minutes under 375 degrees.
Hi, Sister Mary Joy. Oh, I'm fixing flowers for the sisters' floral offering tonight. These are from the garden. Hi. You know what? Floral offering during the month of May is a beautiful tradition. It symbolizes the offering of our hearts to the Blessed Mother as we consecrate our heart to her Immaculate Heart, telling her how much we love her. And that pleases her very much. So later, join us in our floral offering.
After this video, what will you do during the month of May to honor Mary, our Mother?
During the month of May, we celebrate different Marian feast days. May 13, we celebrate Our Lady of Fatima. On May 24th, we celebrate Mary Help of Christians. And on May 31, we celebrate the Visitation.
Honor Mary this month of May by offering her flowers.
Thank you for joining us on our first season of LIHMposts.
Continue to be a light in the world.
Bye! Ave Maria!